don't know where time is going. I know, 11 months. Like, what the heck? Are you mainland Ireland or Northern Ireland? I'm mainland Ireland, Southern Ireland, so I am. But I currently live in Texas. But welcome in. I hope you're well. Welcome, welcome. Blob. Keen, hello, welcome in. Welcome. I hope you're keeping well. It's lovely to have you. Oh my goodness, Blob, welcome back. I had a Doberman that absolutely loved carrots. We had a pet rabbit. We had to be super careful when we fed the rabbit because it would try to steal the rabbit's food. My God, you all have super healthy animals. Holy moly. Super heckin' healthy. The one thing I don't like about these cookies is that they fall apart because they are so moist. I know a lot of you don't like that word, but it's the best word I can use right now to describe what they're like. They are literally falling apart. Lord, you met my doggo. She was the best girl. Oh my God. She was the best girl. She was such a good girl. Such a good girl. I used to love going out and giving her pets. Giving her all the pets. She was obsessed with treats though, she was. And I remember me and you sneaking her treats all the time. Literally all the freaking time. Lola, come on out. Lola, I'm opening the oven. Come on, girl. Oh my God. These literally said poof. Wow. They literally puffed up so much. Mike, I did not expect them to puff up this much. What happened? What happened? These are literally ginormous. These are huge. These are massive cookies. Hell yeah. More for me. Big cookie. I love these cookies so much. I really do. I love peanut butter cookies. I love peanut butter anything, to be honest. Not the biggest fan of Reese's Pieces though. I feel like they just taste like sugar. Look how big they are.
Oh my gosh.
They're literally ginormous.
Really?
Yeah.
That's insane.
I know. I feel like I made them too big. Like I really got to cut down the measurements next time.
That's all too nice. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
They're literally huge. And I've got so much dough left. Chungus cookies, big Chungus cookies for sure. Do you like peanut butter cookies?
I mean, not really. You can try though.
Yeah. I'm going to get a plate and scoop one out because I like to eat them when they're warm. I like them when they're warm. Lola, excuse me, pretty lady. That's my spot. That's my spot. Thank you. Moist cookies. I am a soft cookie gal over hard cookie any day of the week. I do not like hard cookies. Like, look how big this is. It's like the size of the plate. It's huge. Lola keeps coming into the kitchen. Mm. Mm-hmm. Bye. You're a hard cookie person, Blob? Really? I am a soft cookie girl, through and through. Get a little cookie or a cake cookie and have it the day after. Put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. They get so soft and gooey. Literally the best thing ever.
Get some water.
You hydrating, bruv.
Yeah. You want some water?
Please. Thank you. All I've been drinking is Dr. Pepper and Diet Coke.
Yeah. That's not good.
Oh my goodness. What are your favorite soft cookies? Mine are oatmeal raisin. I do not like oatmeal raisin. You like oatmeal raisin?
I require the solace
Yeah.
of the shadows.
I don't know. I just like a regular like chocolate chip cookie, but the best cookies I've ever had have been smoked salt brown butter chocolate chip cookies. But it was like milk chocolate chunks and dark chocolate chunks in it, and it was just absolutely gorgeous. All right, bruv. It's so